I am up here on the OC Fishing Pier. As you can see, they didn't open up today. Our flag's still at half staff there. But it is quiet downtown today. Dozen cars in the parking lot or so. Nothing but seagulls on the beach. Small wave coming in. Everybody's inside today, relaxing, staying out of the rain. I don't blame them. That's where I'm heading. I got the new flyers for the Ocean City Life Saving Station Museum. That'll be going out, and all the let me see, there we go, new flyers. They'll be in every one of your Ocean City, Maryland 2018 calendars, so you can learn a little bit more about our Ocean City Life Saving Station Museum. Cool place for you to visit when you're here in town. Get to check out all the cool history of Ocean City there. There it is, right at the very end of the boardwalk, where the watchtower is. All right, this weekend we have the Corvette weekend coming up, and we have the Ocean City Beach Classic #4 Ultimate Beach Frisbee Tournament coming up, and lots more cool stuff. So come on down. It's going to be a beautiful weekend.